Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Install Zone. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into OnStream, the ultimate free app for HD movies and TV shows on your Firestick. It's super popular for its no-ads streaming, but remember to always use legal sources and a VPN for safety. Let's get this installed in under a minute. First, we need to enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and find Developer Options. Turn it on for Downloader. Step 1. Search for and install Downloader from the Amazon App Store, then launch it. Step 2. In Downloader, enter the code 597576 and hit Go. This takes you right to the official OnStream site. Download the APK for Android TV. Step 3. Once it's downloaded, click Install, then Done, and delete the file to free up some space. Step 4. Find OnStream in your apps, launch it, and start browsing. Pro tip: pair it with NordVPN for extra privacy.